Hi everybody, today we will do a hat with this yarn. I don't know the name, I just bought it on a value pack. I will give it a try. So we will put the counter to 0 and we will cast the machine. One in the front, one in the back, like this, for the first row. Don't put too much tension on your yarn, because if you put too much, it's going to be very tight for the 2 and 1/3 row. You put that in the yarn feeder, yeah, and then you turn. It's a little bit noisy for the first or second row, but after that it turned okay. Like this. Try to keep the same speed on your machine, so that way it will be cuter for your stitches. So this is my ugly Christmas hat that I am making today. I will need to reach 140 row for this one. It's a different one. And I will put a huge pom-pom on it. I don't know what kind of yarn it is, but it feels like a little bit with the cotton in it. So I will have to reach 140 to finish it. So we reach the 140. So we remove it from there, put on this side and the other side like this. And I know that I have enough yarn. So now we will have to remove all the stitches one by one. So I remove everything like this. Now it's time to close it. So to close it, I just go like this. Tight. And I go get a double knot. I will do that both sides. So now both sides are attached. It's very important to tie it. Not tie it, stretch it. Like this. I really love the way the yarn did. So now we will take one side like this, get your hand in it, and reach the other side. So I reach the other side. So I pick my yarn in the middle, get to the other side. We do a knot, a double knot now, for my ugly Christmas hat. We'll cut this. I did between the two layers. There. Pull and put it on. So now you have your Addi Christmas hat. Okay, I put 140 because I really want it like to be very big. Okay, so you could check the side you like, this side or the other one, because the yarn is different. Me, I'm gonna choose this side because they're more green and red. So this is the hat. So I will do a big pom-pom for it now. Hi everyone! I received my super big pom-pom maker, clover pom-pom maker. With this rule, I will measure it. It's almost 11 centimeter wide. So it's gonna be nice to make a little pom-pom with this. So I will open it. To give you an example, to show you how big it is compared to the 4 other one, you could see the bigger one I used to have and the new one. It's gonna be fun. Just to show you the difference between my new one and my oldest one, I used to use this one for my adult hat, so give you an idea. It's like the double of it. So to make my big pom-pom, I will use some Walnut Premium, the white one. So to make my pom-pom, I will use this, the big one, and I push on those 2 pegs and open it. Try to hold a nice tension on your yarn, so that we will do a big and stuffy pom-pom. So it's full here, so I will close it like this, click, click, and I will open the other side and do the same thing for this side. So I close my big clover pom-pom maker. I prepare myself some yarn that I double like this. I put that aside for now, and we will cut the yarn. It's very important to have sharp scissors, and you cut like this. So I cut the other side. So I will finish it. There. So I put the yarn that I prepared before, turn the other side, and I will do a knot. So I did my double knot. I will turn it the other side, and I will do another double knot. There, it's done. So now I will open one side if I can, because it was hard. Okay, open one side like this. So for the finishing touch of my Addi hat, I got some little decoration to put it on the hat. It's for a glass of wine. It's the way to remember whose glass it is. I don't know how I call that. Anyways, I bought this and I bought this. It's some light to put on the hat. So I will start. I don't like the big ring they put on it, so I'm gonna remove it. Yeah. Voilà. So I finished my ugly Christmas hat. I wish you a good Christmas, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.